The ultimate Turkish breakfast. So easy, so cheesy, so pleasing. Absolutely bursting with umami flavours that will leave you speechless. Just like I was right here. Plus it's rude to talk with your mouth full. If I had to pick one breakfast for the rest of my life, this would be it. It's so easy to make once you have the knowledge, so let's jump right into it. Stay tuned till the end of the video to see how much weight we lost this week. The base of this dish are high quality tomatoes, so find the best from your local market and cube 2 of them. Get a Turkish green pepper. The sweetness and slight bitterness is going to balance out the umami rich ingredients we will be using. We now build on top of this base. Pastırma, aka cured beef, will give us more of that umami goodness. So stack them up and slice them into nice strips. If like me, you love your garlic and spice, sucuk is a no-brainer. The ugly ends deserve love too. And who doesn't eat as they cook? Stack these up and cut them into nice cubes. Turn on the gas. Get your pan. Nearly forgot to flip there, but we're safe. Knob of butter and add in your peppers. We want to cook this until the butter starts to turn a nut brown. This will give more flavour. Then we add our tomatoes and stir. Adding the tomatoes here prevents the butter from burning whilst utilising its beautiful flavours. You have now completed the hardest parts of this recipe. The rest is plain sailing and patience. Add a pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper. Now we just want to let this cook on a medium-low heat until the tomatoes break down into a very soft, saucy consistency. So close the lid. After a few minutes, we can already see the tomato breaking down, but there's still a bit to go. This is where I like to add my sucuk. You may want to add it with the peppers if you want to cook them a lot more. It's down to preference. While we're waiting, we can grate our cheese. Kashkaval is my cheese of choice. It's mild, salty, and has Instagram-worthy cheese pull abilities. But you can use mozzarella or cheddar. With our tomatoes where we want them, we add our pastırma and mix. Then we add 2 egg whites to give our sauce body. Now we add these very close to the end and mix because if you overcook these, it will start to force moisture out of the sauce and leave you with a puddle at the bottom of your pan. And we definitely do not want that. We are after a nice, rich, saucy consistency throughout. Add your cheese, leaving 2 pockets. Chili flakes here are optional, but I love spice, so I had to add them in. Close the lid and lower the heat slightly. Remember those 2 pockets we made? That's where your egg yolks go. Sadly, mine broke because they hate me. Overcooked egg yolk is the work of the devil. That's why I add these at the very end. 30 more seconds before we switch off the heat and set up our table. Take your toasted rustic bread of choice, thick slices only. And this part is definitely not authentic, but I like the finesse of sprinkled thyme. Dig in and enjoy. Now last week we were sitting at 134.3 kg and we have lost 3.2 kg. Let's go! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to demolish that like and subscribe button and leave comments with your thoughts down below. Join me next time to munch with Murty.